Why they are not talking about Satish Tiku? Why they are not talking about Sarla Tiku, who was cut into pieces after gang rape? What they are going to get after 36 years?
SIA has their own claims. They say that they are looking for certain kind of evidences.
More dangerous militant than Yasin Malik, that was Bita Karate.
Sarla Bhatt case is making headlines because after 35 years, this case is now being investigated by the state investigative agency. But questions are being raised that why now? So I'm joined by a Kashmiri Pandit himself, Rakesh Handu Saab. Sir, namaskar. Thank you for speaking to Indian Express. He has also been working with security forces since 1990s, and in fact, he also tried to contest both Assembly and Lok Sabha elections also. Sir, coming back to Sarla Bhatt, what do you have to say now that the SIA is investigating the case?
The question is, after 36 years, what they are going to prove, what they are going to get. They are making raids on those people who were, responsible for the genocide of 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandas. Yasin Malik has been in jail for last so many years. What are the charges? Charges are money laundering, hawala around. Now Rubia Saeed was called, who he said that he was responsible for her kidnapping when her father was Home Minister of India. She came from London or somewhere, and she recognized that he was instrumental in kidnapping of Rubia Saeed. And he has confessed he has killed 4 army officers. And till all the allegations have been already proved, he has acknowledged, he has accepted, he has been given punishment also. I don't know why they are dragging this Sarla, but and the worst part is what they are going to get. We have been fighting a case of a more dangerous militant than Yasin Malik, that was Bita Karate, who confessed on records that he killed more than 35 Kashmiri Pandas. And the first victim was my very close friend Satish Tiku. And there is a confusion on DD News, and he is also in Tihar jail, and the allegation is that he has been arrested on the charges of hawala, and we have been struggling to get justice for last 35 years. And he has a confession also on video. We want to produce it to the court, but nobody. And when Bita Karate was given, in 2002, when he was given bail, the Judge Andy Wani gave a statement that the prosecution is not interested to discuss on his cases. And the charge sheet which has been filed in the court deserves to be either hanged or life imprisonment. I don't know. I am very surprised. Though I acknowledge, I appreciate that something is happening on ground. But the question is what they are going to get by making these searches.
Do you think that it's politics is behind this? Do you think this politics is behind
this is, ma'am, this is totally politics, nothing else. You tell me, in 1990, when militancy was at its peak, Jammu Kashmir police was not working on the ground because I have been on the field. Why I was taken by security forces? Because there was no local person. Every parent had a gun. Every parent had a Kalashnikov. Every house there was a militant. That is why I was brought from Jammu with a team to help security forces. When this Sarla Bhatt was abducted from Sovra Hospital, from same hospital, Yasin Malik jumped and he got paralysis. You can see his face. He is not able to, look at you. His mouth is, turning like this. It was a Sovra hospital, was a den of militants. All the militants were training. And as per the reports, her doctor, Dr. Guru, was talking to some JKLF militant, and because she was knowing what is going on in Sovra hospital, so she was first threatened to leave the hospital, and when she refused, she was abducted from hostel, and after 4 days her body was found in downtown Srinagar. I am surprised after 36 years, what are they looking at?
So why do you say that it's politics behind it?
36 years, you tell me, ma'am, being a layman, you tell me what they are going to get after 36 years.
SIA has their own claims. SIA has their own claims. They say that they are looking for certain kind of evidences which they feel they will be getting from the raids that they have conducted. But I was seeing your statements. You were linking these investigations to Bihar elections.
Ma'am, you tell me, Kashmir Files was, I think, released in 2019. 70 crore Kashmir people of India saw that movie. Picture halls were booked. you know, this our honorable Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, was very happy to collect the photos with the team of Kashmir Files. What happened later? This Sarla Bhatt case was also raised in Kashmir Files. Girja Tikuz was case. This Satish Tikuz was case. What government did after 2019? You tell me. My question is not, I am not saying, again I repeat, I am not against what SIT is doing or what investigation they are doing a fabulous job. It is good sign that something is happening on ground. But what about Beta Karate? My question is, because my being my friend, his family, I know, I'm in close touch, we talk every day. Why he is not being hanged?
See, let's talk
Surprisingly,
about this
shockingly,
case.
I'll tell you one
Let's
story.
talk about this case first. As far as Yasin Malik is concerned, you know, Yasin Malik, as you rightly said, that he is in Tihar jail. So, why do you say that? You know, again, I'll be asking you this pertinent question because you have been talking about this. That you say that because Manmohan Singh was associated with, in some kind of a way, with Mr. Yasin Malik, you know, that is why this government is raking it up. Why do you have to say that?
Yes, yes. Because yesterday also I raised in one of my videos, Manmohan Singh honored him. India Today conclave made him icon. Then Rajat Sharma ji invited him in his show, Aaj Aapki Adalat. That is what BJP is disturbed. That is why they are targeting Congress. I am not a Congress supporter. I am not against BJP. This is political vendetta, what they are doing today. Why they are not talking about Vandhama? Why they are not talking about Nadimarg? Why they are not talking about Chatin Sipora? Why they are not talking about Satish Tiku? Why they are not talking about Sarla Tiku, who was cut into pieces after gang rape? She had migrated to Jammu. She was called to Kashmir by her colleague to take the salary because she was from a very poor family. From there, she was abducted and she was killed. And pictures were made on this. How many pictures were, you know, from last 36 years? Talk about Sheen, talk about Ashok Pandit, talk about Vivek Agnihotri. How many pictures have been made in the last 36 years? Even I remember one of the MPs from Telangana, Kavita, in 2009 when BJP was in power, 2014, whereas Rajnath Singh was the Home Minister of India, she raised this topic about Beta Karate and what all happened to us in 1990 on the floor of the House. Nobody was ready to listen. And today they are making it a political issue. The only reason what you rightly said is that they have a personal vendetta. They talk about Gandhi, they talk about Nehru, let them talk about themselves, what they did for Kashmiri Pandits in the last 12 years. How many? Today also, if I go to Kashmir, as you rightly said, I am connected with my roots, I am connected, helping my PM package employees who are working there. They could not construct houses for them for the last 14 years. My Kashmiri Pandits are living there in rented houses. They have paid more than 7,000 crore rupees as a rent. They don't have a permanent job. They claim that we have rehabilitated 6,000 Kashmiri Pandits in Kashmir. It is basically the PM package, what is called Manmohan Singh's PM package. Today, some families are getting 13,000, that is 108 rupees per day. They have not increased a single rupee. You see the inflation, you see the cost of cylinder, you see the cost of petrol. Our
So
people in Jatti are dying because of road accidents.
sir, when you know the statement which had come out from JK administration was that JKLG administration is trying to identify the actual perpetrators as far as the Sarla Bhatt case is concerned, and it's a continuous effort to get peace and you know to get justice for Kashmiri Pandits. So you don't agree with the statement?
I don't agree, ma'am. Because let me ask by your channel, you ask them how many surrender meters are partials today, how many councillors there, how many surrender meters are enjoying the best facility for BJP government and government of India and government of Jammu and Kashmir. Ask them how many candidates, ex-militants who were the perpetrators of our genocide were given tickets to contest elections. Ask them how Jamaati Islami was allowed to contest the assembly elections. What was Home Ministry doing? And when this one of the member parliament from this when we do RTI, where said that government of Home Ministry, government of India does not have any records regarding Beta Karate, regarding other perpetrators who are roaming free in Kashmir today.
You feel you feel the
tell
administration
me
is not doing enough?
They are not doing enough. We are not satisfied. You ask them 2014 when manifesto of BJP came, we were promised that satellite towns will be constructed there. How many satellite towns can be constructed? After that, last 2024, when Honorable Prime Minister came to Jammu, he gave a lecture that will be constructing houses for Kashmiri Pandits for their rehabilitation in the name of Tikalal Teplu. What is happening on the ground? People sitting at Delhi and NCR come on TV channels and pictures are shown of Sarla Bhatt and pictures are shown of Girjatiku. They talk about Sarlabar and pictures are shown of Girjatiku. This is what TRP channels are doing. Are they not working for BJP?
There are many. When I was speaking to some of the police officers, they were saying that Sarla Bhatt case is not only, one of the cases, but there are many other victims, many other women who were, either brutalized by in 1990s, and they are also looking into those cases also. So, do you believe them when they say this?
मैडम इसको बोलते ना खोदा पहाड़ तो निकली चूहिया वो भी मरी हुई. You tell me after 36 years what you are going to get there. When we are giving you documentary evidences, we are giving we want to submit in the court. We want that Bitakara's case should be transferred. I will tell you one more thing. Why they are talking about Yasin Malik today? The credit goes to my sister Monica Kohli. She fought this case single-handedly, and Yasin Malik had 35 lawyers free of cost fighting for him that his case should not be transferred from Jammu to Delhi. It was single-handedly by Monica Kohli. This case was transferred, for which BJP is, cherishing today. She made this case transferred to Delhi. That is why they talk about Yasin Malik today. Why not Bitakara's case is being transferred?
So how
because
do you
prosecution
feel
is not interested.
How do you feel that this investigating this case against Yasin Malik will help BJP in the forthcoming assembly elections of Bihar? How do you say that?
They have been doing because this is practical experience. You tell me, let me ask you from 12 years, except, taking photographs with Vivek Agnotri, what they have done for Kashmiri Pandits. Talking whenever there is an issue, when there is an election, Kashmiri Pandits, they remember. After 36 years, you tell me how many years BJP was ruling this country. Forget about Narendra Modi ji. At least 25 years BJP was in rule. And let me tell you, people will tell me after this interview, I am a Congressee, I am anti-national, because I am raising the genuine questions. Because my blood boils today. I have seen militancy. I have worked with anti-militancy operations. As you rightly said, I fought elections in 2008 against Hurriyat Conference boycott call. Against that too, against what you call Line of Kashmir, Farooq Abdullah. Knowing the fact that I am not going to win, but to reclaim my roots, to reclaim the roots of my Kashmiri Pandits who were forced to leave, जिनका genocide हुआ है 1990 में. 2024 again, I went to contest the election. My name was deleted from the voter list. Then being a fighter, I again applied for the voter card and got it from Ranawari Srinagar, where originally I belonged to, and fought the assembly elections. Leave it aside. What were the reasons my nominations were rejected? But I keep on fighting for the last 36 years. They are bringing those people who don't know ABC. They are showing photo of Sarla Bhatt and talking about Girjatiku. Yesterday, I was watching some YouTube channels. They were talking about that she was cut into Badsa. She was cut into pieces. They are talking about Girjatiku. And the question is, debate is going on about Sarla Bhatt. And I remember when I was in anti-militancy operations, there were ladies like, as you rightly said, Prerna Raina. How many people know about Prerna Raina? There are a number of cases.
Yes, there are many questions which need to be addressed by the JK administration, by center, as far as, all these sufferings of Kashmiri Pandits are concerned. But as far as SI investigations are concerned, they are saying that when Sarla Bhatt's body was recovered, there was a handwritten note recovered from her, which said that she was a police agent. Now police claims that they are trying to match the handwriting, and that is why these raids were conducted.
Madam, you tell me with whom they will, match the handwriting. After 36 years, you tell me. I am again repeating the question. When we have documentary evidences, we have all records of terrorists who confess of killing more than 30 Kashmiri Pandas. He is confessing on DD News, national channel, in front of Mr. Raghuvanshi, very silently, very coolly. You watch that video again and again. You see, is there any pressure on his head? Is there any policeman or army man or BSF man standing with a gun on his head? He is very silently and very laughingly, very coolly accepting that he killed more than 30 Kashmiri Pandas. Why they are not hanging him to set the examples? This is what I am asking. I am not against what they are doing. I repeat again. I am saying that this is all bullshit. And when he has confessed that he has killed more than 4 army officers, you can hang Afzal Guru, who was mastermind of parliament election, parliament attack. Why are you waiting for? What are you searching? They are
Yes.
misguiding the media. They are misguiding 140 crores of Indians.
Yes, these are Mr. Rakesh Handu is so vocal because he has gone through those sufferings. We hope that the government does listen to voices like this and try to get justice to all of them. Sir, thank you so much for speaking to Indian Express. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me time.